Hi everyone, welcome to our Proton YouTube channel. In this video I show the Proton Card. It's a program board under development and you can use to make a project. Operating voltage range is between 7 volt and 20 volt. Proton Card is a card using Atmega 328 chip. It has a 6 analog pins, 14 digital pins, 4 GND pins, 3 5-volt pins. It can be programmed with Arduino Ide. Pin 0x RX and first pin takes, so it is we can serial communication. There is a reset button, only the restart the code. The difference with the Arduino Uno board is 3.3 volt output and there is no FTDI chip on it. Since there is no FTDI chip, it cannot be directly connected to computer via USB. It has an FTDI input for extra connection on top. But I stayed off updating code with FTDI that I suggest. I suggest updating code from ICCP pins. Some computers may not see the FTDI board. I use USB Tiny ISP AVR programmer board to upload code with ICCP pin. By making the connection in schema, the code will be ready to load. Let's make a sample project with a Proton Card. Before we move on the project, thank you PCB, all sponsors who sent me these PCBs. When you enter the dimension of your card, how many pieces you want to do from main page and press the order button, it takes you slightly more detailed page. On this page, you just need to choose the color of your card and the shipping method. Then you upload the garbage file of your card. If there is no problem with the card, you press the payment part. And let's go to the project. To upload the code to the card, set the programmer from the tools to USB Tiny ISP. Choose upload using programmer. If you want to buy Proton cards, connect me on Instagram DM. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching me.